Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, West Central Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, North Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Eastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Eastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Reedsville, or near Easton, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, East Stroudsburg, Wilson, Blairstown, Bangor, Penn Argyll, Belvedere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, Hope, Belfast, West Easton, Milford, Chathamy, East Bangor, Bloomsbury, and Reedsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 69 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 9. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 308 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Monroe, and Northampton.